Here is how to set up your mega menu in your Shopify theme. Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you are all doing great. And let's actually get to the video. So there are going to be multiple ways in doing so, and I will showcase both ways kind of. One is kind of guaranteed, and the other one is it's not a given. It depends on your Shopify theme, and I will tell you where to look and how you should find it. But again, it's going to depend on your Shopify theme. But the other method, it is just a guarantee. No matter what kind of theme you're using, is going to work for you. So let's actually get started with the first one, which you should first check for yourself before you do the second method, because maybe this should be enough for you, and if it is, there's no reason for you to install other apps, which could eventually slow down your store basically. So let's actually get to it. So the first thing you will need to actually do in order to check your Shopify theme's compatibility with the mega menus is actually first create a menu. So if you just click on online store and go to navigation, here is going to be where you can create menus, but let's just select the main menu for the sake of the tutorial. And you just create a some sort of a menu with a drop down where you can add products and stuff to your liking. You can just drag and drop them to nest them underneath each other like so. So if you want to read underneath products, you can just drag and drop it like here, like so. So oops, this is under blue. We don't want it under blue. We want it to be under products. Okay. So after you have actually successfully created your menu, you can just exit out of here and go ahead and customize your Shopify theme. So you just click on customize here. And this is going to be the first step that may not work for everyone, or maybe it works, but it's just not how you want the menu to be. You don't like it much. So you will need to go ahead after you click on customize and go to the header section here. So if you just click on your header section, here is going to be how it's going to be different. If you're using a different theme, it's going to be different for you, but you should typically find something along the lines of the type of menu that you have. Some themes have very like a lot of options in customizing the mega theme. The mega menu, I mean, but some like Dawn here, the Dawn theme doesn't really have a lot to offer when it comes to it. The only thing that you will be getting is obviously selecting the menu and then selecting what kind of menu you want. So you can do the normal one, which is a drop down, and you can see how it looks like, or you can choose mega menu, and you can see that it showcases the mega menu and how it looks like. But some people will not have this option for their theme, and some people will have more options to their theme, and there's some people that have this option, but you can see it's very lacking when it comes to customization, and people want more. So if you want more, first, if you're satisfied with this, then good for you. You just customize it to your liking. But if not, you will go through the second method. For the second method, you will need to actually exit out of the theme customization, and you will need to go to add apps here. Go Shopify apps, and then you will need to search for a specific app that is going to help you with this. It's going to basically create the menu. The mega menu for you is going to be very customizable and adaptive. So you just type in QUIKIFY, so Quickify basically. So if you just search for Quickify, you should find Quickify Smart Menu Mega Menu. This is the one you want. And you can see the reviews are very good for it, because it's actually a very good product or app. And it does have a free forever plan. And then you can also upgrade for more templates and more stuff. But it does have a free plan. So I will just be using the free plan for now, and you can see how much customization you will get even for the free plan. So you just go ahead and install the application to your Shopify store. Let me just exit out of this. I don't need the tutorials. I don't need this. Okay, so once you open it up, and if it doesn't open for you, you obviously just, you should locate it under apps. You can just click on it and it's going to open for you. But from here, things are going to be very simple. So the first thing you will need is actually just adding a new menu. So first, click on add a new menu, and here you obviously select what kind of menu you want. So this video is about mega menus, so we select mega menus, and here are going to be basically plenty of templates. And some templates you can see have premium options, so only if you have the premium you can select them, but there are also a lot that don't have this. So we can just select mega menu or tabs menu and select that one that we want. Let's just use the first one for the sake of the tutorial. And now we see the header item 2, and then we can also add more, and we can adjust the image and all of those things. So the editor for this is very simple. The first thing is you can adjust whatever you click on. So here you can adjust this by clicking on this, and so on. So let's actually edit the first item here, the header item. So if we just click on this, we can select the title of things and select the menu name here first. So let's just name it. Now, I'm not going to name things properly because I just want to make this kind of quick. And you can also add icons and stuff to it if you want, and images, and all of those things are available here. You can see it does have plenty of options, and some are also premium, so make sure that you don't you will be able to only use the ones that are for free unless you upgrade. So let's just name it test for now, and actually go on and move on to this. So whatever you want to change, you can just click on this and you'll be able to change the title. You can link it to a specific thing like a homepage, product, blog, whatever it may be. So if it's products that you are doing, you can just do, for example, product red, because I have a red product for some reason. And here we go to product, and then product link is going to be the red product, which I have. So here we go, we've got product red now. And then we can also edit the submenu item 2. We can add more items if you want, and so on. So this is menu 1, and you can just, back out. To edit more, you can just add a new menu item, which is going to be next to it. Again, mega menu, same thing. And let's just name it, so the first one is products, the second one would be like about us, maybe, or contact us page. Not page, just, information. So let's just do this. And we can, adjust the header item again. Let's just name them link to maybe a phone number, or maybe just actually contact us page, which you can link to the original name if you want. So if we go back from this one, we can actually link it to this one. So if we click on edit, we can link to page. And I don't have, no, I said home page. Anyways, you get the idea. Just click on page and select the about us page from here, which I don't have. But you can, link every single item here, and you can remove it if you don't like. You can, adjust the width and all of those things. And you can also view it on mobile if you want to see how it looks like. So you can see it's more of a drop-down menu here, but it does still look much better. So here, this is going to be step 1. So you just, adjust it the way you want, and you can see how things are. If you want to adjust the image, again, you just click on edit, and here you obviously link your image. So if we just delete this, you can just click on browse, and I believe that it is going to be from the basic plan to add an image. So I guess for users can upload image in Shopify files and paste link here. So you can't really browse, you can just upload image in Shopify files instead. So you can do it this way. Okay, this is how to add an image for free users, but if you are upgrade, you can just simply browse and use it from the actual application. And you can also add design and stuff from this section, where you can just style it, the way you want, flip in, and you will just need to play around with this if you want. It's going to be fully up to you for customization. Remember, there are going to be like a few things that are only for premium users, so keep that in mind. So who knows, maybe you will actually like it and upgrade. I mean, it is going to be worth it after all, because you would always want your website or a store to look nice and attract your users. So hold on. Okay, so if you just preview our store, it does take a little bit of time because Shopify does that. Let me just pause until it's done. Okay, my bad, I forgot something. There is one more step after you actually save. You will need to activate the extension within the theme. So you just go to your theme or just click on this button where it will like already take you to it, but you can do it also without clicking on that button. You just go to your theme customization, go to app embeds, and you should find Quickify smart menus, turn it on, make sure it's on, and then you just go ahead and click on save. And you should be done. You should be good to go. So let me just actually go back. Okay, so if we go back and actually view our store now, if you view our store, it should be in here. Now there are going to be a few things that may lead it to not work, and you can check them out. Like for this example, it didn't work. Most of the time it is okay, it is going to work, but you will need to wait for it, because if we click on the app, it does tell you like some fixes for it. If we go to the app, I'll actually show you one fix, and then if that didn't work, I will also show you what you will need to do. If you go to add and design here, you can manually replace menus from Shopify. So if you have a Shopify menu that is not the main menu, select this and it's going to do it for you. Just go ahead and actually select the menu. But in my case, it's the main menu, so I'll just keep it on this. And you just, click on save and make sure the app is enabled and it should work. But make sure that you wait for it, because look, if we just click on the instruction here, you should find this one right here. Why is my smart menu not showing up or showing incorrectly? And you get this, for example, loading time. Our server is placed in the US, therefore there might be a delay in loading times for users who are far from the US, and I'm not in the US, so it may take a little bit of time. Here it tells you other fixes as well if you didn't select a proper menu and stuff like that. Maybe theme does not support, but which is unlikely, I think. And theme uses the same navigation for both desktop and mobiles, and there are going to be plenty of fixes here if it didn't work for you. So depending on your situation, you should find the fix for your situation and fix it from here. But most of the time it's just a waiting game, because it usually just works first time. So this is basically how to actually add a mega menu to your Shopify store. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.